Hello, grade 11. Today we're going to look at the Unit 2 Poetry Collection, Word Derivation. So when we say word derivations, it means like the words coming from Latin. They have different roots coming from Latin language. And then when you add like suffix, prefix to these words, they change the meaning. So that's why knowing the Latin root is very important to recognize the words, so you can make a connection between the words you know and the ones you don't know. So for example, words like animal or animated both share the same Latin word anima, which means life or breath. Many English words show a similar pattern in which a number of words can be derived from a single root word. So if you know the meaning of a root word, it gives you a strong clue to the meaning of the word that is derived from that same root. Now we're going to look at some words and we'll identify the best definition for each derived word. So the root word bath means deep, which definition best matches the words babysphere. So if it's deep, where do we go deep? In the sea or in the ocean. So we can say it's B, a round chamber for exploring the ocean. Number two, the word rebellion derives from the root word bellum, which means war. Which definition best matches the word belligerent? So we say someone who is fond of fighting. The word cardiac refers to the heart. Which definition matches the word cardiologist? So obviously when we put IST at the end, we know that it's the person who is doing that job. So a doctor who specializes in heart problems. The word dominate derives from the root word dominus, which means master. Which definition best matches the word dominion? So we say area over which one has control. The root word chron in synchronize means time. Which definition best matches the word anachronism? So when you put e at the beginning, this prefix is generally the opposite of that word. So we say an item that is out of its time period. On the second page, we have more words. The root word cognoscere in recognize means to learn. Which definition matches the word cognizant? So we can say it is to be aware of, like that you are open for learning. The root word gyne means woman. Which definition best matches the word misogyny? So mis is an opposite prefix. So it means hatred of women. The root word pathos refers to the feeling. We saw this word in ethos, pathos, logos, the Greek word, for when we did persuasive appeals. So which definition best matches word apathy? A meaning without. So without feeling. The root word wallow means I wish. Which definition best matches the word volition? It means the power of one's will. So here in the B section, find and define the root word for each of these words. Think of a second word that uses the same root word. You can use an online dictionary to define these root words, and then you can find other ones that come from the same root. So the first word is inscribe. I put some examples here. From there, we can put scribe means to write. And you can also say the derivation coming from the same word, describe. Corporation, so the root is corp, it means body. And then in corporate, we use it for the companies. So we can derive this word from corp. Benefit. Bene is the root. It means good. Benevolent. We can use this word. Credible. Cred, the root. And the meaning is trust. We can say incredulous, like opposite of trust. So this is the end of the lesson. And I will see you in another video session. See you. Bye bye.